This video demonstrates how to caulk your tub or shower. So when you go to do a caulking job, you're going to need some basic tools. The first, of course, is the caulk itself. And it will help if your caulk matches the color of your grout. But in this case, at Lowe's, the grout and the caulks didn't have the same colors, but I got the one that was closest. You'll also need a caulk gun. We borrowed this from a friend. I've got several of them laying around my house, but I'm not at my house. So we had to borrow that, but you'll need a caulking gun. Also, you'll need a putty knife. And it's good to have a scraper, one of these multi-purpose paint scrapers. Comes in very handy, especially this the pointed end, and the scraper itself is tapered, so you can get a good scrape to try to get the silicone out. You'll also need, I would get one of these tools. This helps spread the caulk evenly into the crevice, so that's very useful. This other side is when you're having to take out caulk. In this particular job, I didn't have to remove the caulk. I'd already done that in the previous job. But this also comes with a little scraper on the end. So this is a valuable tool to have when you're doing caulking. I have a couple of these at home. You'll also need some sort of silicone remover, and that's what I have in the back, the goof off and the caulk remover. It's basically they loosen the silicone. It'll no longer stick. It almost dissolves it. So I primarily use the caulk remover, but at Lowe's they didn't have caulk remover. I had to go with the goof off. And they both seem to work just fine. So when you do your caulking job, go ahead and get these tools together. Also, you will need some rags to help wipe off the excess caulk, and you can, once you put the caulk remover down, you'll be wiping it up with a cloth. So have a few cloths around for that. So these are the tools you need for a caulk job. I want to point out that this video is an extension to a couple of other videos where I filled a large crack between the tub and tile with grout, which I allowed to dry and then sealed. In this video, I am caulking the grout joint, and I'm adding additional caulk to all the grout which is filling the crack to allow additional moisture protection. With that said, let's jump in. After sealing, I decided to add a protective layer of caulk over the grout. Since grout is not flexible, it won't bend, it could crack in the future, and I wanted to have that layer of caulk covering it just in case. Even though I cleaned up the grout already, I'm cleaning it up even more before I put on the caulk, because I want the caulk to cover all the grout neatly. Finally, I start caulking. For sections where the crack was larger than the bead of caulk, I'm taking some extra caulk and putting it on my putty knife and spreading it on that part of the grout that doesn't have any caulk on it. This will ensure that the whole crack is covered with caulk. I'm using this caulking tool to smooth the grout evenly where the tub and the tile meet. Now I'm at the point of using a cloth to clean up any excess caulk. And as a final step, I'm using some silicone remover or caulk remover to clean up all the extra caulk. Now I'm caulking the last side of the tub. If you think this video was useful, please like and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the products, I'll have a link in the video description. Until next time.